Today, we will explore a breathing technique called yogic breathing. This simple practice involves breathing deeply into 3 parts of the body: the belly, the ribs, and the chest. And it is used to soothe the nervous system, calm the mind, and release stress apart from many other physical benefits. You can practice this technique daily to feel more relaxed and refreshed. To begin, find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Let your shoulders relax. Roll them up towards your ears and relax them. Rest your palms on your knees or thighs. Gently close your eyes and lips. Lengthen your spine, creating space between each vertebrae. Let your shoulders, arms, and torso completely relax. Now, bring your awareness to your breath. Notice how you are breathing. Is it fast, slow, or somewhere in between? Does your breath feel warm or cool? Observe the length and depth of breath, as each breath is unique. Observe the pauses between each inhale and exhale. Take 3 full cycles of breaths here. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. As you inhale, let your belly expand like a balloon. And as you exhale, allow it to relax. Breathe in, belly expands. Breathe out, belly relaxes. Continue this pattern for a few breaths. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now, place your hands on your abdomen. Inhale deeply into it. Exhale, allowing it to collapse towards your spine. Move your hands to your lower ribs. Inhale, letting your ribs expand. And exhale, letting go. Next, place your hands on your upper chest, just below your neck. Inhale, letting your chest rise. Exhale, letting it compress. Now, inhale slowly for 6 counts. 2 counts for the abdomen, 2 counts for the rib cage, and finally, 2 for the clavicular region. Your exhalations should be almost double the length of your inhalations and go in reverse order. Similar to how a water jug fills from the bottom to the top and empties from the top to the bottom. So inhale, abdomen, 1, 2, rib cage, 1, 2, upper chest, 1, 2. Exhale, upper chest, 1, 2, 3, 4. Rib cage, 1, 2, 3, 4. Abdomen, 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue to breathe this way a few more times. Inhale deeply, 1, 2, 1, 2. Exhale in reverse, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. Notice how you feel. and if there is any shift in your emotions or state of mind. This ancient yogic breathing technique can truly work wonders in reducing our day-to-day stress, leaving us feeling refreshed and happier. Always consult your physician if you have any respiratory disorders or are pregnant before practicing this technique.